Welcome to our captivating journey through time, as we explore the intriguing world of girls and cars. A mesmerizing collection of vintage photography. Watch in awe as we showcase the timeless elegance of women and their stunning companions. Classic cars from the past. Get ready to be immersed in a world where beauty meets horsepower, as we celebrate the captivating allure of unforgettable women and their iconic automotive counterparts. Buckle up and join us for a mesmerizing adventure where glamour and horsepower collide in girls and cars, a mesmerizing collective. English actress and model June Palmer at the London Motor Show, 1965. Men's magazine model Laura St. John poses near a car in the 1970s. Leonard Nimoy going down to Liverpool with the Bengals in 1984. American race car driver Linda Vaughn, the beauty queen of stock car racing, 1970s. American actress Mela Normie, Vampira, rides a train in the 1950s. Marilyn Monroe after announcing her divorce in Beverly Hills, October 6, 1954. A teenage girl poses not far from Red Square in the Soviet Union, next to a yellow car, 1966. A dancer balances on a Chevrolet Radiator, 1927. Parking violations officer writing ticket, 1950s. Marilyn Monroe and her new 1951 Pontiac. A girl poses next to a car in an advertisement for a portable television, 1950s. Pump station attendant at Lex Garage, Campton Hill Road, W8, 1952. Real photo of a girl in a trunk from 1939. Advertising postcard for Pontiac car dealership. Otto and Sabine Demois, 1960s era French classic men's magazine model. Sam Hanks gets good luck wish from shapely Nancy Young car. Ready for Indianapolis, the 23rd of April, 1957. Singer Sandy Shaw sat in a Lamborghini Miura at the opening of her Wells Street store in 1967. Seat belt in Lincoln, 1950s. French Simca car and unidentified girl, 1949. Photo by Robert Doisneau. Does anyone know what's wrong with her eyes? The Brock Sisters' popular singing trio in the 1920s and early 30s, and a pedal car. The Rivera Bad Girls, Hoyo Mar Avila, L.A., 1983. American actress Tuesday Weld washing his car circa 1960s. Valerie Leon, English actress and model poses by a car in London, 1960s. American beauty queen and actress Vanita Wolf poses inside a car. She appeared briefly on television in the late 1960s. Guest of British magazines for men Vicky Campbell poses in a car, 1960s. The girl had enough space on the hood of the Ford Taunus to lie down and sunbathe. Advertising photo 1961. Glamorous British model Anne Wilson gets out of a car somewhere in the vastness of Britain in the 1960s. German actress Jutta Levka tries to fix her hair before getting into the car, 1960s. An unidentified men's magazine model poses in front of the classic English roadster MG Mars Garage MGB GT from 1966. The waitress at the drive-thru brings your order, 1950s. Lady washing her Nash 400 in 1953. An unidentified glamour model saddled up with a classic car in the 1960s. British glamour model Helen Williams poses in a classic car, 1960s. Do you think it is possible to drive in the trunk of a classic car? This girl is trying to fit in there comfortably, 1960s. Betty Page and Otto, 1950s. American actress Catherine Bach, star of the hit TV series Dukes of Hazzard, pictured with the famous car General Lee, June 1983. Unknown blonde driving a Volkswagen bus, 1960s. A classic Austin Sprite straight from the 1958 auto show. Once again, June Palmer poses on the hood of a car, 1960s. A girl unloads her surfboard from a car, 1950s. Virginia Mayo with a luscious Lincoln, 1940s. Chrysler Windsor 1947 and a girl with an umbrella, somewhere in the 1950s. Roxanne Arlen throws herself onto a Sunbeam Alpine, in a scene from the film Bachelor Flat, 1961. Puerto Rican superstar Rita Moreno landed on the Mercury Monterey in 1950s. Brigitte Bardot and her Simca 9 Sport Coupe at her grandparents' house in Louveciennes, France, 1950s. A girl demonstrates Ford's wrist twist steering system in 1965. Vintage photos of beautiful girls on a Honda motorcycle in the middle of the Bonneville Salt Flats in 1969.